Prove that.
Prove that if you do means it will take.
Sir, last class I had so many problems, sir, so I couldn't run all this.
Acha, okay. Satvik, Nihar, Priyanshu, Vivek, all of you on the camera now.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. I'm coming in 1 minute.
Then Priyanshu, Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
On
for
your
my internet problem, sir, like for 5 days it will be like that. I'm out of station.
You are having internet problem or you are out of station?
Both, sir.
Pulasteya. One minute. 9th CBSE 7.1 circles. So we are just doing the concepts part of it. Right. Next question, try to understand here. If you are having a circle, okay, this is a chord. Angle on the circumference, angle in the circumference, both are what? Equal. These both are equal. Okay. If you draw like this also, this also is equal. All are equal. X, X, X. This is also one property of the circles. Okay. If from any chord, if you are drawing the angle on the circumference.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking.
No, sir.
So all the three angles are what? All the three angles are equal. If
Sir,
you are, what happened, Priyanshu? Priyanshu, what happened?
sir, your voice is breaking, sir. In sir, around that time, sir.
Check your.
Now it's fine.
Acha, okay, okay, fine. Sai Charan is calling me now. Hello?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, did you start the meeting, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I started only. What happened?
Sir, I'm not able to join, sir.
Why?
Don't know, sir.
What, sir?
Telling, please check your internet, try again.
What, sir?
What, Priyanshu, what happened?
Sir, you are telling something, sir, to Satvik, sir.
Now I'm saying that this is one chord from
Yes.
both the points A and B. If you are just drawing any angle on the circumference of the circle, then all angles will be equal. Okay. So see this one, this will be equal. This angle are equal. So this is also x. All right.
Okay.
The next what we have read, angles drawn on a semicircle. Like this, angles on triangle on a semicircle, this angle will be what? 90 degree. Okay. So 3 questions, all of you just write and tell me what is the answer for this. Last time also we have read all the things. Point, this is your angle, this is if this is 58 degree, then what is here? What is, find the value of x and put in the chat box. Don't write it here. Don't write it here, okay? A, B, C. All of you
Ah.
find the answer for this. A, B, and C. Write the answers in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Nihar 116, 90, 160. I didn't got any answers from you. Only Nihar has messaged me. A is 122, Hania. Okay. How 122? 19.
Sir, we can do sir by CPC. Means first we have to prove.
By CPCT.
No, sir. First have to prove, sir. This congruent triangle.
Congruent you have to prove. Why? There's no congruent here. There's no
Okay, sir.
congruent.
1 minute, sir. It's
Pulastya message.
Sir, what you ask, sir? Question, sir.
Find angle X in each of the cases.
Okay,
Okay. Yes.
sir. Yes, sir. Now I'm telling.
Mhm.
So I didn't get the A and C.
A, why you are not getting? A is simple no. If on the circumference, what the angle? The middle angle will be what? Twice of it.
Sir, what is the
Okay, middle angle is what? Twice of it. So if this is 58, the X will be what? 2
sir,
into
what is
50.
the C one?
Okay, so I understood.
Huh?
Sir, what is the C number? It's a bit blurred.
100. 100. This is 100.
Okay, sir.
You have to find X. Priyanshu, okay, fine. 2 into 58, 140. B is 140. How Sairatvik B is 140?
I got 90 for B, but I did not understand what's the answer for C.
Okay.
I'm at C, sir. For B, I'm at C.
Okay.
For B, I got 90.
Acha, okay. So if this is X, how to do Nihar? Tell me.
Item.
Nihar, last one, how you have done? 160.
Item.
C part you know? Sai Ritvik.
Sir.
Huh?
Sir, I know the C part.
Okay, tell.
Sir, it's
Sir, I will tell, sir.
Tell. Anybody you tell. Just
Sir,
Sai
it's
Ritvik.
90 minus
Sir, I've
half
told you,
angle
friend,
A.
chat.
90 minus
Half angle A, sir.
half angle A. 90. So 90 minus what you should write?
Sir, I have written in the chat, sir, answer of form.
90 minus 50, we should do that is 40.
Huh?
40 minus
90 minus 40. That is 50 you are saying.
Sir, 90 minus 50. Half
Sir,
angle A is
my-
half of 100.
50. That's 40 answer. The wrong.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Let me check once. What you may be correct. Who knows? 160. How it's coming? Priyanshu.
Sir, I've
Your,
written 260.
your voice is breaking. Satvik, tell me
Sir,
what is the
I've
answer?
written 260, sir, in the chat, sir. You can see.
Okay. 260 will be there.
Yes, sir. I think.
This will be 260. Inside will be what?
90.
100.
Sir, 100, sir. Sorry, sir. 100.
Outside will be 260. Listen, this one if you draw like this, this will be what?
100, sir.
What will get this one? This will be 80.
100.
And this will be what? 160.
How it is, sir?
Sir,
If
how
this is
80?
if this is 100, you could draw one quadrilateral. This I just draw once again. See, I'm just from the same this point, these 2 points. I'm drawing the quadrilateral like
I
this.
told you, na, sir.
Cyclic quadrilateral. Then cyclic quadrilateral what are opposite angles are equal to what? 180. If this is 100, then this will be what? 80. So double of this is a center angle, that is 160. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll just do questions based on NCRT right now. 10.1 fill in the blanks you shall do. All of you write in the chat box what you know about this. Just write first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6th. Sai Ritvik, every time we should tell to you every time on the camera, on the camera, on the camera. Every time if I tell, then you on the camera, right? So many answer has come. Priyanshu, exterior, diameter, interior. Write at least 4 sums, at least first, second, third, fourth, in right way, that way. Satvik, first one you have mentioned interior. Center lies, a point whose
Sir, I've written, sir, interior, then first, exterior, second, right leg.
third is diameter. An arc is a dash. What is arc?
Arc is
Part, sir, on the boundary.
it's from the circumference, a part of the circumference.
Which question you are talking about? Which one?
Fourth one.
Arc, you asked.
Sir, fourth one's a diameter of the circle, sir.
Arc is a dash when end with diameter they given. Arc is a dash when it ends are
think
the
he's
end of
talking about-
diameter. What will come, Nihar? Fourth one?
Sir, semicircle.
Semicircle. See, if you draw one arc like this, no? So end of a semicircle diameter is what? This is one end, this is second end. This become what? Semicircle only. So this is an arc and is forming a semicircle. Next, question number 5th. Satvik, tell me, question number 5th. Segment of a circle is a region between arc and dash of the circle. Segment we have read already, right?
Yes. Arc
Yes.
and
This is a segment. This is a segment, right? Between arc and what? This is a segment between arc. This is arc. And what is this? Don't know.
Chord.
chord.
Chord, sir.
Next, a circle divides a plane on which
It's
it lies.
like two equal part.
Huh?
Equal part. Two parts, sir.
Two parts.
Pulastya, what is the answer for this 6th one? On which it lies in dash parts. Sairitvik, what is the answer for this?
What?
Sir,
Hmm?
two part.
So many, right?
Sir, infinite.
Sir,
Would that
infinite.
be 2?
Sir, it should be infinite, I guess, according to me.
Okay. A circle divides the plane on which it lies. In
Sir, in two part only, na, sir.
what is plane?
Infinite. A plane is a paper, something in which it's
On which it lies in dash parts.
I'm guessing it's 2 because exterior and interior.
Wait, I didn't understand. Is the plane like in the whole place and the circle is dividing the plane?
That's only
Or
I'm
is
also
the
thinking.
plane inside the circle?
A circle divides the plane on which it lies.
Okay.
In dash parts, how many parts? As per you, what infinite, right? It looks like infinite. So many parts it can.
Yes, and nine sir can be sir, but it can be also 2 parts.
Circle divides the plane on which it lies in dash part. But having doubt. Check the answer side. Ritik, what is given answer for this? What is answer for this? Just check.
I think it's 2.
How it is coming to Pulastya?
I think inside and outside.
Inside and outside. External, internal, you are saying. This one.
Yes.
Interior, exterior.
Yes.
On which it lies.
Sir, I think sir 3 parts, sir. 3 or 2 parts, sir. Outside, inside, and on the sir. It can be that only, sir. I think.
Acha. A circle divides the plane on which it lies. Saritik, what is the answer? I think this will come interior, exterior, right? And the circle divides, but
Yes.
how plane is coming into picture? Here plane, if
That
you
the
see,
circle is
is
on the plane. I think it's like cutting the plane.
like this, right?
Yes. So there's some plane inside and
But sir,
some
will
plane
be only
outside.
sir 2 or 3 parts, sir. Inside, the outside will be there, sir, or on the circle it can be.
1 minute. Which lies? Okay, we'll see once. Do this. Let me think about this. The next question I'm giving to you right now. Now I just do only solving questions. Okay, all proving sums are only there in this thing. All proving sums are there in.
Sir, could you do proving sums only because they only are the problems, sir?
They were in the problems.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Okay, then 10.2 first question will do. 10.2 question number 1. Copy. 10.2.
Sir, it is an exercise question, sir.
Yes.
So 1 minute, sir. I will check, sir, in textbook.
See, this is the question. Recall that two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at the centers. So this is very easy question, right? Here, like, if you prove this both are what? Congruent, then what? It's equal only.
Textbook, sir, I have checked, sir. It written, sir, 3 parts.
3 parts.
Yes, sir.
Means your answer is correct, right?
Yes, sir. I think so. 3 parted written, sir. Exercise 10.1. Sir, but sir, I have told, sir, only 2 parts, sir. Inside and outside.
So recall that two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Radii is same only for both the circles. Prove that equal chords of congruent triangles, congruent circles, equal chords means this is a chord. Equal chords are there. Subtend equal angles at the center. Means this angle is same only. You should prove this one. How to prove?
Sir, by congruency. Same radii.
Sir, radius is same, sir, for both.
2 radii are same and then angles are same, sir.
Sir, so sides will be same, sir.
So by which congruency we can prove this?
A,
SSS.
no, SAS.
Hmm. Two circles are congruent if they have same radii.
Sir,
Prove
both the
that
angles are same.
equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at the centers. Then by SSS only we can say, right? SSS means both radius OAB and OCD. OPQ if you want you can write. This is O dash. So OB is equals to what? OQ, O dash Q, OA is equals to OP, O dash P, and here AB is equals to what? PQ, right? Recall that two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Prove that equals also. So by side, you can say circle 1 is congruent to circle 2.
Yes, sir.
So
Common is not there.
what common? All sides are only there now. What common you'll just see here. Then you can write here circle C1 is equal to this one. Then angle AOB is equals to what? Angle PO dash Q. Okay, by CPCT. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Nihar, it's clear. Where you went?
How did we get AB and O dash, I mean PQ is equal?
They've given no here. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles, equal chords. So
Okay,
P, AB is equals to PQ.
sir.
Next question is second question. You see, second question is just converse of this. Okay. Second question is just converse of this. Prove that chords of a congruent circle subtend equal angles
Sir, this all is theorems, first theorem and second theorem.
So prove that chords of congruent circle subtend equal angles at the center, then chords are equal.
It is a converse of first theorem.
So here you just simply you can do. Okay. So what you can write? This will be the radius only, right? Radius are equal. O dash, A, B, C and D root. So here you have to prove that to prove what? AB is equals to CD, correct? So how to prove? Now see, it's proof now I'm writing here. OA is equals to OC, O dash C, that is your radii, radius of the circle. Again you can write OB is equals to O dash D, that is also radius, and angle AOB is equals to angle CO dash D. This is what? Angle at the center. Is given only, you can write here given. In this you can write given. Then triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D. By which one? By side angle, side
Assist.
congruency. So then you can write AB is equals to CD. What is the reason behind this? Reason is what
Sir,
is
CPCT is a congruent part of
corresponding part of
congruent triangle.
Huh.
CP.
Is it clear, Sai Ritvik?
Clear, sir.
Next question. Pulastya, is clear what we are doing here?
Yes. Yes, it's clear.
Next question is now we'll do next exercise. Okay. Copy. .3. All of you try this question, children. All of you. All of you try this question. Draw the diagram at least.
Okay.
This is like
Question, sir?
this is like
Okay, sir.
Hania will like this question because she's good in finding the questions, right? Proving sums is boring to you, right, Hania? This questions you like. Just do this question now. 5 chord, 6 infinite. All of you try this question. Now see, I'm drawing the diagram over here, how it looks like. Two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points. So one circle is having 5 centimeter over here. Other circle is having 3 centimeter. Okay. Intersect at 2 points. This one and this one. Intersecting at 2 points. Alright. Here and here. And at the distance between the centers is 4. Make one line over here. This distance is 4 centimeter from here to here. So this is your 3 centimeter. This is your 5 centimeter, right? So find the length of common chord. Length of common chord we have to find.
We can use the Heron's formula.
Heron's formula. Then we can find by Heron's formula we can find the area over here.
Yeah,
By-
but from the area we can find the height too, right?
Yes. But that is perpendicular. How do you get on this perpendicular only? This should be perpendicular
Yeah,
exactly.
if you use it, then you can get the like height between the thing perpendicular to the 4, and then you can multiply it by 2, and it will be the length of the whole thing.
Okay, try what you are getting. And this is perpendicular. How will you get to know this is perpendicular only? That is my question. Suppose here 2 is there like this. This is a common chord. This chord is how do you know that this chord is perpendicular only?
Because it's
So it's
always
6.
joining the centers. It's always in the center. It's always perpendicular.
This point here. So this is always perpendicular to this.
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's not. Oh, it's not. No, it's
So
not.
it's 6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. How do you find?
So by Heron's form.
Super. Applied Heron's formula. So you got 3, then you made it double, or how? What you have done?
I didn't get you.
No, this chord is double. No, so if you find this height, this much height. So to find complete chord, right? So this down part also should add.
But I'll once try.
Try by Heron's formula. Try if you want. Nihar, how to do this one? Tell me.
What, sir?
How to find this chord?
I think it's 12.
How to find the common chord over here? Can you find this?
I think it's 12. I got 12.
Acha, okay. 12 centimeter. Anybody else who got the answer? This is by Pulastya. Anybody else?
Yes, sir, it's 12.
Okay. Anybody else? Saitvik. What, sir? Length of the chord, tell man. Priyanshu, length of the chord. Length
Sir,
of the...
1.
Huh? Length of the chord is 1. 1 centimeter. Okay.
Wait, sir,
Sir,
we
six.
can't see how it is.
Huh? Vivek, you are not speaking anything. Vivek.
Sir, I'm still doing, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Satvik.
So I'm doing.
Satvik
Sir,
side
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Okay,
Sir, it
fine.
can be
Side
6.
is 6 centimeter, and the other side, if you add it, it's 12.
Sir, I'm telling
Sir,
sir in
which other
chat,
side?
sir,
Sir,
1 minute.
only one side is there, which is 6 centimeter.
It's not given here. You have to find. Nihar, you tell. This is by Pulastya. This is by Priyanshu.
Sir,
Tell me, Nihar. I can't hear you. You are muting and
What's
muting.
the
Then.
answer?
See, what we can do here is, if you draw one line, right? Here. If you are doing by Heron's formula, what you are getting?
So
Oh,
for
yeah,
one
it's getting.
side, it's 6.
Okay, let me check by Heron's formula. What is semi-perimeter? You are getting A plus B plus C by 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait, I think I
5
did it
plus 4
wrong.
plus 3 by 2, which is a
I
6.
think
6, sir.
I did it wrong.
Semi-perimeter is 6, right? Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
area will be root over S minus A, S minus B, S minus C.
Sir, I did it wrong.
S
Okay.
minus C.
So
12.
6 minus
I
5.
think it's 6. It's not 12, it's 6.
Okay, fine.
But sir, it's only for one side, right? The other side, how can you find it?
Okay, let me check.
For the
Just
other side,
multiply by
we
2.
need to multiply it by 2. Again, it's 12. So
this will be
I
what?
No, the height is.
That'll be.
So it will be 6.
36,
Sir.
root 36, which equals to...
Yeah.
So area will be 6. Area will be 6.
And then the height
Yes.
is 3. So the.
Now see, I'm writing here
times 2 is 6.
A, B, C, and this, suppose this is O. Okay. So area is 6 centimeter square. Now you just, this is the area by Heron's formula, right? This is by HF. Heron's formula we find. And now we are finding the area by half base into height. Half base into height. The area will remain the same. Area is not going to change. Half, and base is 4. What would be the height? The h is equals to 6 into 2 divided by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. We are getting height as what? 3. If height is 3, then
And
this
then
is
3
double of
times
it.
2 is 6.
So A2, if you write here x, A to x is nothing but 2 times of AO. That is 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
You can do by this way. You have done same way only, Priyanshu? Means your answer is
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Same way you have done.
Sir, yes, sir. First I have taken, sir, semi-perimeter, sir. 5
Okay.
plus 4 plus 3 by 2.
Okay. No. What I have done, same way you have done or different way?
Yes, sir, same way, sir.
Sure,
But, sir,
no?
first time I didn't get answer, sir.
Huh.
Second time I got. First time I got in, sir, 1, sir.
Acha, one you
Getting.
are getting before. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you send me on WhatsApp what you have solved right now?
Yes, sir, I can solve. I can.
Send immediately.
Yes, sir.
Fast.
Sir, what's your number?
Take photo and send me back on WhatsApp. Next question is,
Sir, wait. Sending, sir.
we are not just finding one right now. Proving sums will take bit time.
Sir, I'm taking a screenshot, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. See this question over here. What you are doing there now?
Sir, some sound is there, sir. 1 minute, I'm sending. Sir, where is your number?
Where is your number?
Sir, yours number, sir.
How do I know? Where you have saved which name and all? Say fast. See children, what you can do this. If the line intersect two concentric circles, circle with the same center.
Sir, I'm not.
What? Not finding.
Sir, I'm not able to find your number, sir.
Okay, leave.
Sir, I will say, sir, this.
Tell this one. If a line intersects two concentric circles with same center with center O at ABCD, prove that AB is equals to CD. You can prove this, all of you. AB is equals to CD. You should prove here AB is equals to CD. How to prove
Sir,
AB
I
is
can try, sir.
Okay, try. AB is equal to CD, you have to prove. How to prove AB is equal to CD?
Sir, I think, sir, we have to do construction, sir.
Which you have to join this one and this one.
Yes, sir, we have to join, sir, this one.
Okay,
Yes.
after
You
that.
can take, sir, any, sir, 3 points, sir. Then we have to, like, if you have taken O, then we have to join, sir, OB, and then we have to do, sir, construction and all.
What construction is required? Nothing is required only.
Nothing, sir. Then how we will do, sir? If
See, from center to the mid of this one. See, line intersect two concentric circles with same center at O, at A, B, C, and D. Okay. So this figure is there like this only. So only this you should do. O to M, you should draw perpendicular line over here. Okay. So, so perpendicular to the chord is always bisecting the chord into two equal halves. That is your property. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Perpendicular to
Sir, or sir, we can draw a line segment from O to AD.
That only we have done now here. What is that?
Okay, okay. Sir.
Perpendicular to chord
Such that that
From-
OM is perpendicular to
from center O to AD. So this it bisects what? Chord into two equal halves. Chord into two equal halves. Okay. So we
Sir,
can write. Yeah,
so
what?
now MA is equal to MD
MA is equal to MB. Okay. MB or MD?
and D, sir. D for dog.
Okay.
MD, sir.
Sir, and then since we have to find the AB and CD, we can say that MA is equal to MA minus AB, MB is equal to MA minus AB.
You can write here next also. No, this first you written, then you should write second also. You can write MB is equal to what? MC.
Sir, we can write na sir second. Sir, then OM is perpendicular to BC and OM bisect BC. Therefore, sir, BM equal to BC, sir.
I know what you are saying, Priyanshu. I know what you are saying. Wow, 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 wow. Super, Priyanshu. Keep on doing like this only, okay?
What, sir?
What you are doing now?
Say M equal to BC, sir.
Understood. What you are trying to say? Tell me again what you are trying to say, Priyanshu.
We can't say, sir.
We can't say. You are saying no, that's something. What you are saying? Tell
Sir,
me.
if OM is perpendicular to MC, sir.
So MA minus MB is equals to MD minus MC. That will come AB is equals to CD. Proved. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this was very easy only. If any perpendicular line is given to any circle, suppose if a circle is there, this is a chord. If you are drawing perpendicular line to the
Sir,
chord,
this is not right, sir. I have written this in book only, sir. In sir NCERT book, sir, in notes, sir, which I am, sir, solving in school, sir. I have written this only, sir.
Okay, fine. Can you send one photo to
Sir,
me?
I'm seeing from that, sir, sometimes, sir.
What you do? You seeing from that only notebook? Huh?
Yes, sir, I've seen, sir, this one, sir. I didn't understand.
So why you should see the notebook if you didn't understand? You are here to see the notebook or to understand?
Yes.
Tell me, Priyanshu.
What, sir?
Here you are there to understand or to see the notebook, school notebook?
Sir, I'm just seeing, sir.
Why you are saying if you are not able to understand,
that,
Priyanshu?
sir, how, sir, MB, sir, stole from that, sir. I've opted a blue color. Sir, how, sir, MB equal to MC, sir?
Why you are seeing that notebook first? Close your notebook, other notebooks and all. Don't read the notebook simply. If I didn't ask you anything, then you will be.
Closed.
If I didn't ask you anything, you'll be silent only, right?
Okay, sir, I've closed the book.
So what I'm saying here, this is the MA and MD is the chord. Sorry, this chord. See this bigger chord. This one. You can see. You can just let this is your C1, and this inside part is what? C2. Circle C2. Okay. So if you see circle C1, in circle C1, what is there? Which chord is there? A, M, and here is there M. This is A and this is D. Correct? This is for circle C1 I'm talking about. If OM is perpendicular to AD, we can write AM is equals to MD. Can you write or not? MA is equal to MD. Tell me, Priyanshu.
Yes.
And this is a C2. If this is a C2 circle, then we can write this is your B point, this is your C point. So again here we can write BM is equal to MB is equal to MC. This is from this circle. Now we are subtracting. MA minus MB you do, you'll get AB. And MD minus MC if you do, you'll get CD. That's it. What is there in that? Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
Then what you are not able to understand here?
Sir.
Next. Do you want to play numericals based on this? Means quizzes based on quadrilaterals? Sorry, this one. Circles. 10 minutes time is there still. Only Priyanshu has on the camera. Hania, Nihar, Pulastya, Sai, Ritvik.
So my camera is on.
On. Acha, you
Yeah.
can. Okay. All the camera is on now. Only Nihar sees. Why? What happened to Nihar? Nihar,
Yes, sir.
you are there in a meeting or not?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Acha, you are slept off.
No, sir, I'm there only, sir. Why will I sleep?
चश्मा वश्मा निकाल के बैठ गए तुम.
Yes, sir, I was having a little bit headache.
Sir, he's
Sir, can I
resting,
go to
sir.
the
He's
washroom?
tired, sir.
Then leave
You
the
can
meeting now
understand,
then.
sir, my voice.
Nihar, you are understanding everything you know, right?
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, you can without ask. Why to ask? Nihar, what do you want, man? Tell.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. You know everything you have solved, I think, no, before only, right?
No, sir, I've not solved this, sir. Circles have problem.
So what we have done, you not understood something or
Yes,
full
sir,
blank?
this I understood, sir.
And before this one?
Yes, sir, that also I understood.
But you are not telling the answers. Wait, I'm asking Nihar, you're full silent. What, you're not
So
getting or?
that time, I guess my voice was not heard, sir.
Acha. Okay, I'm just putting one quiz to you, to all of you. Actually, we are around 10 minutes left. Based on this circles only, circle for class 9th. They have finished this chapter in your school, Nihar.
What, sir?
Circles chapter they have finished in class.
Yes, sir.
So which part you are feeling difficulty, proving sums or finding sums? Only proving?
Sir, mostly proving. Mostly proving only.
They are solving from R.S. Agrawal.
No, sir, NCERT only.
Okay, NCERT only. NCERT, no, there is no much sums actually.
Yes, sir.
So link copied and shared to everyone in the meeting. But you are good in asking to teachers in class, right? If any small doubt also you get, you will just keep on asking the teachers, right? You will not leave anyone, I think. If you in the class you can't be sit silent, right? If
No,
you
sir,
have
nothing like that, sir.
huh?
Nothing like that, sir. I know what, sir.
What means you will get stuck, means you will not ask to the teacher in class.
No, sir, I ask also, sir. Not like that.
Acha, feel lazy boy in the class, right?
Nothing like that, sir.
Then with some questions without understanding also you move ahead.
Sir, what?
Without understanding the question also you can move ahead in the class, in the school class.
Sir, most of them I understand, but then sometimes if I have a doubt, I try to look it on my own or ask.
Okay, I'm starting the meeting around all of join now.
Sir, can we leave?
You can leave, no problem. If you have done, you have finished. हाँ प्रियांशु भाग गया क्या वो?
Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, may I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Pulastya, you also can leave now. Stuart.